Smart lock installation tutorial. Hello. The installation method of intelligent lock is as following. All the accessories inside the package are: front lock, rear lock, front lock gasket, dashboard, rear lock gasket, lock body, lock core package, 5000 mAh lithium battery, cord, data wire, screw back. Install the lock body first, and adjust the lock bolt direction before installing the lock body. Install the front lock sleeve and tighten with pliers. Install the gasket. Change the direction of lock bolt and loosen the screws. Push the separation blade of lock bolt up and rotate the lock bolt. Install the screw. Install lock body. Install the screw. Install lock core. Install the screw. When installing the lock core, cut the lock core rod according to the thickness of the door, and the reserved length of the lock rod is 1.8到 2.0 cm from the surface of the indoor door to the lock core rod. Install front lock. Install the base plate. Install the base plate sleeve screws. Adjust the front and rear lock. Line the installation hole. Install the tail ruler on the lower end of knob of the rear lock. Insert the opening pin to secure the tail ruler. Note: fold the opening pin with pliers. And turn the knob to ensure that the folded open pin does not touch the motor. Cutting the square rod according to the thickness of the door. Measure the lock rod reserved length of 1.8到 2.0 cm from the surface of the interior door. If the tail ruler is too long, we have to cut. The reserved length does not exceed the outdoor door edge. Connect the front and rear lock power cord and cat eyeliner. Insert the spring into the rear lock, with the hole facing inside. Arrange the excess power cord in the door seam. Open the rear lock battery case cover. Push the mechanical knob up and rotate it. Install the rear lock and align it to the square column. Install lock core ruler and safety ruler. Install the rear lock screws. Put the battery cover. Press it for 2 seconds to restore the factory settings. Cover the battery cover. Installation completed. Test the lock switch. Open the handle quickly and press left to open the lock. Switch lock rotary knob. Turn left to open the lock. Turn right to close the lock. Back lock rotary knob. Turn right to close the lock. Switch lock knob. The left button is opening the lock. The right button is closing the lock.